9 down to 1.7. Look what happened to the LDLs. 357 to 129 with no medication. How did we do that? Simply shifting her diet away from acidic foods and drinks to alkaline foods and drinks. We shifted the body's need to produce LDLs to buffer excess acidity. The HDLs naturally went up because we increased the oils, what we call the healthy fats, that help to drive nutrients to the cell. Scientists working in the new field of psychoneuroimmunology have demonstrated the existence of intimate links between the parts of the brain concerned with thought and emotion and the neurological and immune system. Based on these discoveries, we know beyond doubt that thought can become biology. And as we look at emotional stress and increase of coronary heart disease, there is a correlation in the increase of acidity and this particular condition. One of the things that I've suggested is we do not have a heart attack. What precedes the heart attack is a thought attack. And so even our thoughts can have a detrimental effect in increasing acidity that can lead to a heart attack. There is not a symptom of health or disease that does not involve the lymphatic system. A healthy flowing lymphatic system, which is the janitorial system of the tissues, helps to move acids out of the tissue and then out through the pores or out back into the blood and through the urinary system. But a healthy flowing lymphatic system is the key to health, energy, and vitality in the prevention of disease. The lymphatic system is so very important to keep healthy and moving. And one of the things that we do recommend is lymphatic massage. I think they do that here, don't they? I think lymphatic massage is just so critical. Would you like to have one of those on a daily basis? The doctor of the future will give no medicine, but will involve the patient in proper use of food, fresh air, and exercise. Thomas Edison. I believe truly that the key to the pH miracle, the key pH miracle secret, is this understanding that the human body is alkaline by design and acidic by function. And when we maintain that alkaline design, we literally prevent an onslaught of symptomologies that medical science refers to as disease. I want to thank you for being here tonight, for taking your time, and for the opportunity to share with you this miracle that we've been involved in for the last 30 years. I hope you won't keep it a secret, though. I hope you will share it with your friends and your family. If you get a chance, read the pH Miracle book. There's a simple metaphor in there. I call it the fishbowl metaphor. And you can ask any of your children this question. If the fish is sick, what would you do? Would you treat the fish or would you change the water? Or what would your doctor do? You see, the difference is once we understand that we're only as healthy as the fluids in which we are bathed in. In our bodies, when we were born, we're 90% water, and when we die, we are literally dehydrated as much as 50 to 60%. And when we literally alkalize our bodies and maintain that alkalinity, we can have health, we can have energy, and we can have vitality. Thank you for coming tonight. And is it okay to take a few questions? Do we have time for that? Do we? Okay, let me entertain a few questions. Thank you very much.